Hey, it's Mick with Johnstone Supply Development Group. So with our hydronic series, we're going to start highlighting parts and components and talking about them. Today we're going to highlight an Amtrol expansion tank. So an expansion tank is installed on a boiler to basically keep a buffer in the system, so when your water is contracting and expanding, the water pressure maintains at a constant rate. So inside this tank, right here at the split, there is a pressed diaphragm in there. So what it does is it separates the water from the air. So these tanks come pressurized, pre-pressurized for a basic 12 PSI. You must figure out what your system pressure is and match this with your fill valve pressure. So there's a lot of calculations and a lot of formulas to it, but you need to understand that this needs to be sized properly for your system to work properly. So with that being said, how do you know what size expansion tank you need for a system? So Amtrol has came out with a nice diagram and a cheat sheet to help you figure out what size expansion tank you need with your system. So you take the type of radiation that you're using, you take the BTUs per hour for the boiler, and you find it on the chart of what you need. So as you see, I have black and red letters. Black are for the extral filtral systems, and then the other ones are for the extral expansion tanks, just the basic tanks. So you figure out what number you need, you match it up per what you need, and go from there. So they also have for water heaters, and they also have for radiant systems with packs. So if you need this, please reach out to your branch. They can get this for you over email, and it'll help you out in the long run.